This is how you record content for your home bakery as a solo baker. Making content for your home bakery can seem like a lot, but it's something you have to do for a healthy baking business. I'm gonna show you easy ways that you can make content by yourself so you can feel more confident. So of course, the first thing you're gonna need is something to record with. This can be something as simple as your phone, or you can get a little fancy and use something like a professional camera. My main go-to when creating short form content is my phone. And just to prove that you don't need anything super fancy, my phone is actually an iPhone XS. And I'm fairly certain that the phone that you have is probably newer. Mine was made, like 10 years ago? The next thing you're gonna need is something to prop your phone on, like a tripod. But you can also just prop your phone up on something, and that works just as well. I'm using a soap dispenser to prop my phone up. And now I can stand here and record my content. Easy peasy. And if you're interested in any tripods or looking for great tripod recommendations, I have a few of my favorites linked in the description below, or you can go to thestationbakery.com and find them there as well. Then last but not least is, and this is totally optional, is a mic. I personally use mics because I like to move all around, and it just helps with being able to have clear audio. Especially if you're someone like me who's a mom and you have a busy and loud house, investing in a mic might be a good option to avoid having all of the craziness in the background. And so those are the reasons why I personally prefer a mic. But this also depends on just the type of content that you are choosing to do. If you don't plan to do any talking to the camera content, then there's not really a need for you to get a microphone. But if you're considering to talking to the camera content as well as doing voiceovers, then you may want to consider getting a microphone. And just like the tripods and everything else that I'm using in this video, I will have my favorite mics linked in the description below for you. Okay, now that we have all of our gear, there are just a few more things we need to do before we're ready to record, like cleaning the lens to make sure we don't have any smudges or fingerprints. A few other things that we want to keep in mind is making sure that your phone is charged and has enough storage on it to be able to record your content. Once you have those things, you're ready to press record and start recording your content. Because we're food creators, I'm gonna show you the easiest and the most common way that we're gonna be recording our content. And that is gonna be top-down content. You're going to need a top-down tripod. This is the one that I use in my business. I've had this for like 5 years and we're still going strong. So I'm just gonna take this tripod and I'm gonna clamp it here onto my countertop. What's really great about this particular tripod that I have is that it's very flexible. It clamps onto your countertop and you can adjust the thickness, but also this is adjustable. So you can, if you need it to be close, up, high, there's so much that you can do with this particular tripod. And now we're ready to record our top-down content. You wanna make sure that you frame your camera shot to be able to see everything that you're going to be doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my scene and then adjust as needed. So the thing about recording content is that you can record as much or as little as you see fit. But just keep in mind that literally everything is content. So I'm going to be recording my process step by step, from putting my pan here to lining my pan to putting the cookies on the pan, all of that good stuff, because all of this is content that can be used later on down the line. So now we're just gonna hit record. Please remember to hit record. This is for your video and for your mic. And I say this because I literally just recorded a whole voiceover for this section of the video, only to realize that it wasn't actually recording my voice. So y'all, please remember. So just hit record and then you're able to go about your business like you normally would, creating your baked goods. You can actually see on your phone and see what you're recording. Make sure that everything is properly in frame. I did make a big mistake. When recording this, I'm using 2 different parts of my brain here, creating my YouTube videos and then also trying to show you how to create short form content all at the same time. I'm actually recording the short form video in landscape and it really should be in portrait mode. But that's perfectly okay because that's, editing, right? Editing is magical and we can make anything happen. It'll just look like I'm recording from like a really cool angle. So make sure that you have your phone in portrait mode and make sure that you press record. It would be a total shame to go about doing everything that you need to do only to realize that you didn't actually capture the footage. But if that does happen to you, no worries. Don't stress yourself out. That's okay. You'll have another day where you can create content and you can just start your content wherever you remember and pick up from. Right on time. Now my oven is ready for the cookies to go in. So because we're just doing this in one top-down shot, I'm not gonna record myself putting them into the oven with this camera. But if you wanted to record yourself putting them into the camera, putting them into the camera. If you wanted to record yourself putting your cookies into the oven, all you have to do is unclip your phone, find somewhere to prop it up, and then walk your cookies over and put them in the oven. This way your tripod stays stationary, so when you're ready to bring your cookies back when they're fresh out the oven, it's still in the same spot. So now let me put these cookies in the oven because I really gotta bake them. I have to bake these cookies for real. So once your cookies or your cakes or whatever you're making are done and out of the oven, then you just bring them back to your setup, press record, and record the process. And so you just go about your business to do what you need to do. And then when you're done, you have all of your footage and it's ready to edit and you're able to create a video that looks something like this. You can actually turn this footage into multiple pieces of content, and that's something I teach and share inside of Business Made Simple. So if you're interested in that, plus the full version of this video where I show you all 3 ways, including the absolutely easiest way to record content, join Business Made Simple. So this next way is basically gonna be like chaos. You're going to record everything. You're gonna get all kinds of different angles, different shots in different areas doing different things. And this is what's gonna really add depth to your content and make it super interesting. I'm gonna be using my phone and my tripod because this is the way that I generally do it. I just kind of go with the flow. I just kind of think about what I'm doing in the position that I'm in and kind of use that to guide how I'm gonna shoot the content. So now I have my phone in portrait mode, and now I'm just gonna carry it around with me as I bake up my next batch of cookies. So we're running bakery businesses, but we also have to create content to market them. And since we're solo bakers, that means we basically have to become part-time content creators, whether we like it or not. And that's why I built systems and templates inside of Business Made Simple to make content creation so much easier. You should be able to spend time on your business, not stressing about what to post, when to post it, how to do all of that, right? So you'll get the full version of this video, tutorials on exactly how I edit, plug and play templates where you just drop your clips in, content hooks, a full calendar, all the shortcuts so you're not overthinking, starting from scratch every single time, or spending hours being a content creator when you could be baking. If you need something like this, then check out Business Made Simple. The link will be in the description. It is very important that you as a business owner really learn the skills that you need to be able to effectively and properly market your business. I hope that this video has simplified the process for you so you can spend more time doing the things that you love, which is baking up your most delicious desserts. Be sure that you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, guys, peace.